The required component for this circuit, the components are LED, 100 ohms resistor, a diode, and 3.7 volt lithium ion battery, a USB cable charging. Now connect all these components. First connect the LED to the resistor. Now connect the diode. Connect the positive of the USB cable to resistor and the negative of the USB cable to the negative of the LED. Now connect lithium battery to the diode and to the negative terminal of this USB. Now connect the circuitry supply. It's working perfectly. You can see it.